Regardless of where you live, on a ranch, in a rural area, or in the city, soil is a resource in which we are all called to be stewards of. Regardless of if you only have a flower pot full of soil or manage thousands of acres of land, the quality of the soil is vital for whatever it is you're growing, whether it be flowers, vegetables, trees, or grass. Too many times we take the soil for granted. Hello, I'm Richard Parrish. I'm the County Extension Agent for Agriculture and Natural Resources in Leon County. Today we're going to talk about soil. Soil consists of weathering materials, decaying organic matter, air, and water. It provides air, water, and nutrients to our plants. It is formed by rocks and minerals breaking down through weathering, whether that be through freezing and thawing, that expansion and contraction, and also by mechanical forces to create our soil texture. It is also formed by decomposing plants and animals. Fungi and bacteria feed on the organic matter in our soil to break it down until it releases that organic matter and those nutrients into the soil. Soil is made up of elements that have been decomposing since Earth was created. Soil provides a mechanical support for our plants. It is alive with a biologically diverse community of bacteria, ants, worms, and other organisms. It is chemically complex, consisting of a wide variety of elements necessary for life. Soil is also chemically reactive, allowing for chemical processes vital for life to take place. Soil is also nature's purification system, cleaning our water as it is pulled by gravity deeper and deeper into the ground, into our aquifers. In our discussion about soil, it's important to mention that soil is not dirt. Dirt is something that we get on our clothes and our hands while we're working in the soil. Dirt is something that is swept up off the floor whenever we're cleaning our house. Dirt is soil where it is not supposed to be. Dirt is looked on as a worthless material, whereas soil is vitally important for all living things. And as we talk about the importance of soil, let's pretend that this apple is planet Earth. On planet Earth, all living things depend on soil. Plants, people, animals, even fish rely on soil for food. Only a small portion of our land, though, is capable of producing food. To demonstrate how important our soil is, let's take a look at this apple. So we're going to imagine that this apple is the earth. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut this apple into 4 quarters. And these 4 quarters, of these 4 quarters, 3 of these quarters represent water. About 75% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. 1 quarter represents the land that is available on planet Earth. So next, we're going to take this section and we're going to cut this section in half. So we're going to cut our land section in half. Now, of this, half of this represents mountains and deserts or land that is covered with ice, and it's not available for food production. The other half, though, this represents the livable area of our planet. Now, we're going to take this area that represents the livable area of our planet, and we're going to cut that into fourths. So by cutting this livable area into fourths, well, of that livable area, 3 quarters of that is either too rocky, too wet, too hot, it's infertile, or it's covered with roads and cities impervious cover. We can't grow food on that land. What remains is 1/32nd portion of the apple. This represents the area on planet Earth in which food can be grown. Now, when we take this section, this 1/32nd part of planet Earth, and we peel that part of the apple, this represents the topsoil on which food is grown that must feed all of the people on earth. That's about 7.5 billion people. So as you can see, our soil is vitally important for life on planet Earth. So as we can see, our soil is vitally important. So we need to take care of our soil. Remember, this is soil, it's not dirt. Because there is so very little topsoil on planet Earth that we can actually use to grow food, it is of vitally importance to take care of. Whether we're growing flowers, grass, vegetables, trees, regardless of what we're growing, we need to be making sure we take care of this soil. So next time we're going to talk about how to take a soil test, why to take a soil test. So for now, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and have a good day.